Hello and welcome to another edition of Darlington Driving Lessons with more tips to help you pass the driving test. We're going to take a look at A66 Neasham Road roundabout towards Monkman Park. As we approach the roundabout, we'll be able to see the sign that tells us that the A66 is straight ahead, second exit, but it's the second sign that we've got to be watching because that's the one that's going to tell us we need to be in the right hand lane as we approach. So there's the first sign. There's the second sign telling us we need to be in the right hand side, right hand mirror check. Moving into the right hand lane, checking the roundabout. This is normally a third gear roundabout, but we've got something coming on the roundabout, so we're going to need to stop. This is where we need to keep an eye on the left hand side. This is where all the danger is now, so using the left hand mirror, watching to make sure there's nothing coming up the inside of us, telling people we're leaving the roundabout, and off we go, heading towards Monkman Park. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell, and we'll let you know when new videos arrive.